Yo, hello ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, at whatever time you're watching this. I'm obviously at work right now, but guess what? I'm doing double the work. When at work, I'm still putting in extra personal work, right? So I have not taken a single trade this entire month of October. We did end up the month of September up 300 and something pips, which was in drawdown last week. If you can see on the previous weekly markup, right? But let's get into this weekly markup. First and foremost, I literally just finished right now, literally. So let's go into, actually let me start from where I ended. So I started on NZDCAD, and then it was UJ, then UCAD, then GJ, then GU. So I'm gonna start from GU, and then we're gonna end it at NZDCAD. So you can pause it and read it here. Let's start from the monthly all the way into the higher time frames, as you always want to start. As you can see, price failed to break below lows, failed to keep breaking lows below 121. We have a monthly bullish engulfing candle here, and then we have a previous monthly double bottom. As well, we just failed to break above 137,300, and we're looking like we're going back down to 134. So we hop down to the weekly. You can see on the weekly we're kind of ranging about between 137,300 and 134. As you can see, 134 previous area of strong supply, area of demand above. Then we tested 137,300, and then we respected back down to the downside. Respected areas of supply, came back to this previous area of demand, respected that as demand, and we continued back to 137,300 and respected that as supply. Now price melted to 134. Now it happened to the daily. You can see on the daily we're having some reaction to 134. Previous buys again. And here I'm looking for on the 4 hour, you can see it better. Oh man, that's me. Adelante, adelante. Copiado. So this is what I'm looking for at 134 soon. Either we're gonna test and create a higher low above it, or we're gonna break below and break below and create a lower high and sell. I'll be back. Eight minutes. I'm gonna have to cut this video, but now I'm back. I literally 8 minutes, dude. So I'm gonna have to cut this video. Let's go into GJ. Why did it? So you can pause it and read it. Let's go into GJ. So on the, you can see overall bullish. Price failed to break below 180,500, and then we have a monthly bullish engulfing candle above 199, 195, previous area of supply, turning into near demand. Hop into the weekly. In the weekly we were having this previous area of supply zone, and then we're currently above it, above 199. I do believe we're going all the way to 208. We hop into the daily. You can see we opened up with huge spread, so we're currently above 199. But we hop into the 4 hour. I saw it better. I see price coming back, clearing this gap, maybe testing 199, and then giving us an entry here. Possibly something like this to continue back to the upside. Or if it doesn't create a higher low above it, then we could possibly get a lower high below it and then sell all the way to 195. Now USDCAD. You can pause it and read it. Let's get into USDCAD. On the monthly, you can see we're overall bullish again. And then not only that, but we're back above 139. And on the weekly, you can see bullish engulfing candle. Then on the daily, we respect this previous area of support, which is above 137,500. And then we have on the daily as well, a bullish engulfing candle and a higher low above 139. So this definitely looks like it's gonna continue flying back to 146. I wouldn't even sell this till price breaks below this area of support. And then we hop on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you can see we also have a spread gap, so price could potentially come back down below 139, to be honest. Clear the spread and continue back to the upside. So right now we'll actually just wait on USDCAD till tomorrow, just because of the spread. Now it's going to UJ. You can pause it and read it. Let's get it. The monthly, bullish turning bearish. You can see this weak support here. Price tested the previous area of previous demand, which is 140, now turning into support. Every test we've gotten weaker. So now I believe we're going to test the 140 and then we're going to run through it. As long as we don't break above, as long as we continue to break, as long as we stay below 151. That's the main thing, because if we break above 151, then we're for sure buying all the way to 160. So as long as price stays below 151, I definitely do see a higher time frame coming back down to 140. Now on the daily, we are flipping bullish. Daily bullish, H41 bullish turning bearish. As you can see, price respected this previous area of support here, which is 146. Buys above, buys above, buys above. We respected it, but then price on the 4 hour, you can see we tested 150 and then we broke back below. Double bottom below on the 4 hour, and then bearish engulfing candle. We're melting all the way back down, and I do believe we're coming back down to 146. So something like this. So this could actually be a potential trade right here. And also as well, we have a huge gap right here. Look, I keep on thinking that price is down here, but look how our price opened up. So the price is definitely melting here. We're either gonna have something like this, or we're gonna have sales below here, continuing all the way to 145 or 146. Last but not least, NZDCAD. You can pause it and read it. Man, I did not want to edit this video, but I'm not gonna have to edit it because there's like a freaking 8-minute pause. On the monthly, you can see we're overall bearish. Price failed to break above 086 after the last pushback, after the last bull run, little bull run, and then we tested below the previous supply zone, which is 083. You can see price failed to break above nice and neatly, and now we're looking at we're coming back down to 76.5. On the daily, we're bearish flipping bullish. Bearish flipping bullish. As you can see, previous area of support, I was looking for something like this for possible sales to continue, but this did not happen. And now actually I should have been in buys here. 50 pips in profit already, but I missed this trade. This should have been the first trade of the month. This should have been the entry. We would have been up already 50 pips, over 80 pips, and then 50 pips floating. So maybe price might come back, stop out the sellers or the buyers, something like this, and continue back to the upside. Or if we break below, continue back to the downside, something like that. And we have targets. We have targets on both sides for the buys, and we have targets for the sells. So now we're literally just waiting. Peace and love. Back to work. Peace and love to anybody watching this.